Hi there, are you a school kid who's heard about AI and wants to know how to use it?
Or maybe you're a parent who knows that learning AI is important and you want to give your child an advantage.
Or perhaps a teacher who wants to learn how to use AI to help with learning rather than letting it be used to cheat.
Yes, that's important. If you're any of these, you have come to the right place. Hello, I'm Dave Burse. I've taught over 500,000 people how to get the most out of AI.
And I'm his daughter, Simone.
I've written a workbook that can be used at home or in the classroom.
And we've also filmed a course with demonstrations and lots of valuable lessons.
You'll find prompts for all the men's school subjects that help to bring the lessons to life, explain complex concepts, and show you how to develop your skills.
Prompts are the instructions you give an AI assistant, in case you didn't know that.
Yeah, thanks for clarifying.
You're welcome.
We also show you how to write your own prompts and what to do with the output that you get from an AI, because it's not always ready to use right away.
So you can get the course, you can get the book, or if you're super smart, you can get both.
Absolutely. And find out how AI can accelerate learning rather than just be used as a cheating machine.
The choice is yours.
So hopefully we will see you in the course or staring down at us in a book.